In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up ManyChat on Instagram if you're looking to enhance your social media engagement and streamline your customer interactions through Instagram. ManyChat is a fantastic tool to consider. So let's dive right into the step-by-step process of integrating ManyChat with your Instagram account. First, you need to access the ManyChat dashboard. Start by navigating to the Home tab of the ManyChat interface. This is the main hub where you can manage all your tasks and configurations within ManyChat. It's important to get familiar with this area, as it's where most of your journey with ManyChat will begin. Once in the Home tab, the next step is to click on the Settings option. The Settings page is crucial as it allows you to configure and customize various features of ManyChat according to your needs. You'll find the Settings button usually located on the left-hand side menu of your dashboard. It's one of those essential steps where you set the groundwork for future functionalities. After entering the settings, you'll want to find the Instagram section. Click on the Instagram tab to open the options specifically designed for connecting your Instagram account to ManyChat. This section will streamline the process of engaging with your audience more effectively via Instagram's messaging platform. Now, with the Instagram settings open, you should see a button labeled Connect. Click on this to initiate the process of linking your Instagram account with ManyChat. At this point, ManyChat is getting ready to establish a link with your Instagram, so stay with us as we walk you through these steps. Once you've clicked on Connect, you're going to need to click on another button that says Connect via Meta. This is a crucial step, as Meta, the parent company of Instagram and Facebook, manages the backend integration. It ensures that the connection is secure and properly authenticated. You may be asked to log in using your Meta account credentials, so have those ready. This step confirms that it's indeed you trying to access and integrate Instagram with ManyChat. And there you have it, a fully integrated ManyChat setup on Instagram. This seamless connection will empower you to automate interactions with your audience, track engagement, and enhance customer satisfaction. If you encounter any issues, check to ensure your Instagram account is correctly configured and that you have the necessary permissions within ManyChat. It's a straightforward process, but remember, ensuring your account is properly configured from the start will save you potential headaches down the road. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you have any further questions or need detailed assistance, feel free to explore ManyChat's help resources or reach out to their support team. Enjoy engaging with your followers using this powerful tool.